Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with RPGSHOW here once again. Same packaging as usual, very classy. It's giving luxury, okay? Always. And listen, when it comes down to RPGSHOW, they have some of the best glueless wigs. Period. Okay, that's a wig. Before we get into that, I got a few goodies. I got an elastic headband, a pair of wig caps. I also got this RPGSHOW bag that's great for storage after you're done with your wig and you want to put it away. This is the wig that we have today. It's a copper and brown body wave wig. It's 20 inches long and it's 200% in density. Guys, this feels amazing. As you can see, it's processed, so it's on the coarser side, but nothing excessive. It feels really good. It's fully pre-customized, so it's pre-bleached, pre-plucked. The construction looks really good. The hair feels really, really good. And that's one of the reasons why I always recommend this company for great glueless wigs. The combs on the inside are attached by Velcro, so you could remove those easily if you wish. I went ahead and I installed the wig, and super easy to just slip on. All you need to do is cut away the excess lace. As I say, it's glueless, so you know, super easy for my beginners to go ahead and get something like this. And as we speak about beginners, I need you guys to know that RPGSHOW recently launched their virtual wig try on. Yeah, so if you want to know what the wig would look like on you before you actually purchase it, they have something where you could go ahead and upload a selfie, and it's really easy for you to actually see how that wig would look on you. Isn't that like amazing? That's super convenient. Like, yeah, as you can see right here, I'm just cutting away the excess lace and really just aligning the hairline with my hairline, and that's it. Very self-explanatory and to the point.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces.
Now, to hold down the ear tabs, you could definitely just go in with like lace tape or a bit of melting spray. I used a little bit of melting spray and that was it. It's completely glueless. Okay, now the parting did come on the left side, on the right side, and I like my parting on the left side because I like my flip over to fall on the right side of my face. So I was switching the parting here, as you can see, and super easy to do. Nothing crazy, you know. It has a nice amount of parting space because it is a 13x6 lace front. Okay, and the hair comes with some beautiful body waves initially, as you can see. I just took some of my wax stick here and then I laid the top with my hot comb, so it was nice and flat, especially since I was flipping the direction in which the bang was falling. But that's all I did as it relates to, like, you know, laying the wig. Very, very self-explanatory.
Stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces.
And this is a wig just like how it comes straight out of the packaging. Very loose, beautiful curls. Luster is gorgeous. Okay, so you could go ahead and go about your day with this as is. That's gorgeous. No frizz, no dryness. The hair is gorgeous. 10 out of 10. But you know, I felt a little extra, so I said, you know what, I wanted a bit of tighter curls. I wanted more definition in my curls, so I got my automatic curler, and I just went through that super easy, very quick, because with this curl I didn't have to wait any time for those curls to set in place. It's very convenient. So I just ran through the entire wig with my curler.
Anyone else before? Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby.
And that was it. Yeah, that was it. This week is a 10 out of 10. I linked it in my description box if you want to go ahead and get this for yourself. That's where you can find it. All the specifications are listed. Shout out to RPGSHOW once more for today's bomb wig. They really did that. This is going to be gorgeous for the summertime. The color is perfection. Love it down. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumb up and stay tuned for the next one.